In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Supabase with Lovable AI. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up one of your projects. For me, as you can see, I have a simple calculator app over here, which the Lovable AI has coded. And then in here, you want to go to the very top once you have your things done, and you can see this little Supabase logo, okay? So you want to click on it where it says Manage Supabase, and then connect Supabase. After you do this, as you can see, it's going to say organizations over here. You want to click on Connect Supabase, and then this will take you over here where you have to authorize your API access. So just scroll down once you've read this, and then here you'll have to select an organization to grant API access to. I'm going to select this one, which is my only one, and then click on Authorize Lovable. Now, once you have done this, it's gonna start spinning for a bit, and then in just a few seconds, it's gonna connect you. As you can see, there we go. It now says connection successful, and then I've now linked Supabase organization, and then you can just press continue over here, and then you can see you can either create a new project, or you can of course connect an existing project in case it is relevant. As you can see, my project statuses inside Supabase are not working right now, so I can't really connect it. I'm gonna just create a new one over here. And there we go. I'm just going to give it a name. I'm going to give it like a calculator name. There we go. And then a database password like this is going to be fine. And then region should be, of course, the one you want it to be. And then click on create new project like this. And once you've done that, this is gonna get rolling. There we go. And then you can go back here, and as you can see, you can then connect it to this specific project like that, because it's now active. These two, I believe, were inactive. I created them quite a bit ago. And then once this is done connecting, there we go, like this, it says Supabase connected. You'll be able to see that you've now successfully connected Supabase, and you can essentially now start using these two because they've been integrated. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.